Now, more than ever, our privacy is under attack because there are tiny hidden cameras watching and recording us all the time, everywhere, even in our most intimate moments without our knowledge. These tiny cameras are found all the time in dressing rooms, hotel rooms, public bathrooms, apartments, locker rooms, and places you didn't think possible. The SpyFinder Pro puts an end to concerns of privacy invasion by instantly uncovering all hidden camera lenses which are spying on you. This easy-to-use, pocket-sized detector can go along with you anywhere. To use the SpyFinder Pro, look through the viewfinder while pushing the button on top to activate the 6 super bright LED strobe lights. These special red lights are specifically engineered to bounce off of the reflective surface which all camera lenses have, no matter how big or small they may be. Now with Maxi Boost LED technology, there are 3 LED intensity modes that allow you to better control and hone in on the area you are sweeping. High is best for larger rooms and open office or living spaces, and low is best for smaller rooms, bathrooms, dressing rooms, and shiny surfaces such as plastic or glass. In a slow, sweeping motion, scan the room, looking at all surfaces until you are confident the room is clean and free from potential hidden cameras. Even if the camera is turned off, you'll clearly see that the camera lens is blinking back at you up to 45